Okay, this is an internet browser related problem. For example, if I start Internet Explorer and go to the website, I have this security certificate related error, and if I click on a link, the address bar turns to red. Let's try another website, Gmail. Okay, I have to click continue to this website or the site won't load. Okay, and if we close this window and go down here to the lower right corner, you can see that the year is a little bit off. We are not in 2000 but 2014. Change date and time. Let's click on the year and let's go here to this 2010 and January, and let's say 4. Okay, and okay again, and the time can be set. Change date and time settings and internet time. We can change the time from here automatically from the internet by update now, clicking on that button. Okay, and let's see again. After we set the clock to the correct date, the internet is working. Let's try another site, and this one is working also. Okay, that's it. Thank you.